Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve Toyota app not working on Android or Samsung phone. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you. So let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Toyota needs a robust network connection to work smoothly. So, if you are using weak internet, it may result in the app not to work. To check and fix it, turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. The method you can try is to close the Toyota app completely. After you close the app, start it again and see if that has solved the problem. If Toyota app is running slowly or displaying incorrect information, then consider clearing the app's cache and data. To do so, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Toyota app. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. It's crucial to keep the Toyota app updated to ensure its smooth functioning and optimal performance. To do so, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the Toyota and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. If all other troubleshooting steps prove ineffective, it is recommended to uninstall and reinstall the Toyota app. To uninstall app, find the Toyota app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall. Now follow the steps to install Toyota app. Go to Google Play Store and type Toyota in search box and tap on it. Tap on Install option. To proceed further, tap Accept after reviewing the app permission. If you are looking for a quick way to fix app crashing, freezing, or not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android phone brands' errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about how to fix Toyota app not working on Android and Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.